For enthusiasts eager to harness GP-oriented performance on the track, Aprilia presents its newest limited edition superbike, the RSV4 XTrenta. The Noale-based company specifies that the production of the XTrenta is restricted to only 100 units. The bicycle will be accessible for reservation on September 6 through Aprilia's specialized website. The name derives from trenta, the Italian term for 30, commemorating 3 decades of racing since Aprilia secured its inaugural world title in 1992 with Alex Gramigni's 125 championship. The X is derived from the designation Aprilia assigned to its 2 race-prepared motorcycles launched in 2019, the RSV4 X and the Tuono X. The bicycle was engineered by the Noale Racing Department utilizing MotoGP technology derived from the RSGP. Aprilia asserts that this is the most extreme, high-performance, and exclusive Aprilia RSV4 to date and is the first motorcycle globally to feature rear underwings. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 XTrenta is a notable update to the RSV4 series, with cutting-edge technology and performance improvements designed for track aficionados and dedicated riders. The RSV4 XTrenta features a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, providing remarkable horsepower and torque. The engine is calibrated for both high revolution performance and responsiveness, providing an exhilarating experience on the track. It is outfitted with a collection of innovative technologies, featuring a sophisticated traction control system, various riding settings, and cornering ABS. These features augment safety while enabling riders to maximize the bike's performance. The design is assertive and aerodynamic, using a lightweight structure that enhances its overall performance. The XTrenta model may feature distinctive graphics and color palettes that differentiate it from conventional models. The riding position is optimized for aggressive riding, rendering it ideal for track use, while it may be less comfortable for extended street rides. The frame is designed for maximum rigidity and handling, offering superior feedback and stability during intense cornering. Premium adjustable suspension components provide precise customization according to rider preferences and environmental circumstances, guaranteeing optimal performance on both track and road. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 XTrenta is an exceptional motorcycle that integrates advanced technology with thrilling performance. It is an optimal selection for individuals desiring a race-oriented vehicle that can additionally function as an exhilarating road bike. Riders will value the equilibrium of power, handling, and sophisticated features, distinguishing it within the superbike category.